kulendi
yamakateerera kudai so ndiyo Kulien TV ndadzoka zvekare by public demand ndina Comrade Whitehead. Hanzi vanhu vakawanda vari kubvunza kuti what exactly is the way forward for VP Chiwenga. Ndo mubvunzo muhombe kutaurwa. Vanhu vakawanda vari kutadza kuanswer that question kuti what is the way out futi pa resolution 1 yakaitwa kwa Mutare. Chii chichazoitika, chichi pamwe pacho vanhu vanoda madetails, vanhu vanoda maanswers ane musoro, kwete ngotaura zvekungotanga mangoudzwawo kuti muchazotaura kuti chii. So ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce once again Comrade Whitehead to Kulien TV. But before I do that, mbomirai because ndikuziva kuti makamira ende mune pressure. Kana uchingori muSouth Africa udo register company vovhurwa FNB business account usina work permit kana study permit, pane company inonzi Education Research ndo yega one inokuregister company yokuvhurira FNB business account usina work permit. Contact them on the numbers that are showing on the screen. Andaona permit kudhara but une passport iri valid yokuti unopinda nayo paboard uchita madhira ako chibva wangowabata, changodiwa kungoti utore number chete.
Zvikuona zviri kuenda saizvozvo ndo saka tati vauye vatikurukurire kana pane ma-questions tinenge tichibvunza.
Ichokwadi ichocho. Tinotenda ngavapfurirawo mberi. Thank you so much.
Right, over to you baba, mufambe nebhora tinzwa kuti zvakamira sei.
Alright, ndanchiti pamwe muchadudza musoro wenyaya. Alright. Chakutanga ndanchiti conference yapfuura taiona nezvaitika zvacho, zvibvumirano zvapinda tazviona. Takagara tazvitaura kuti ndiwo mafambiro zvichaita. Zvino kubva pano tiri kuenda kupi? Ndiri kuona pressure iriko, zvido zvevanhu hatide kuzvisiya kunze and hatide kuzvitorera kuzvirerutsa. We understand the feelings of the people. We don't want to ignore them. Vanhu vari kuti zvaitika kuMutare zvapinza nyika muna tasaireva, nyika yaparara. Zvii zvatogona kuita, zvii zvatinotarisa kuti zvichaitika apa. 2030 agenda no 23rd agenda between now and 2027. Tiri kutarisira kuti chii chingaitika, chii chingabatsira vaMnangagwa kuti vabudirire apa panyaya yavo. Totarisa zvinhu zvitatu. Chekutanga ndechekuti kana zvikaramba izvi kuti vapfurire to 2030 vachitonga. Chechipiri, vanotarisira kuti vaite sei. Chechitatu, ndiani anogona kubatsiva kana who is likely to replace vaMnangagwa, because vision 2030 iripo yakabvumirana ne 2030 vaMnangagwa vanenge varipo zvabvumirana. Vision 2030 hakuna nopokana nayo, vese vanoipfuma. But ruzhinji rweZANU-PF rukutiko hakuna mumwe munhu anogona kuzozadzikisa zvilo zve-2030 agenda, middle income economy. Hakuna nopokana nazvo, so hakuna munhu anozozvisvitsa ipapo kunze kwava Mnangagwa. So I put this into 3 kuti this can take Mnangagwa forward. Zvichaita kuti vaChiwenga varege kubudirira nezvipi zvavanofanira kuita. Totarisa ma-obstacles avanawo pari zvino kuti vakonewe misa kuti vaMnangagwa vasvike ku-2030. VaMnangagwa vanofanira machances api vaMnangagwa yavanawo kuti vanosvika 2030. 3 lives. Chekutanga 1 zvichatanga kuna vaChiwenga. Between now and the next conference year 2026 October, maonero angu ndekuti vaChiwenga vanofanira kushanda chaizvo. First, he must build trust within ZANU-PF structures. He must fight to be recognized by ZANU-PF structures, starting from grassroots to national level, because that support it does not enjoy at the moment. If it does so, then conference year 2026 must take a new approach, either to allow the 2030 vaMnangagwa vanenge vachiripo or vochinja vetikwete azvishaita. 2, tibva pa-2026 October conference, vaChiwenga must now build structures, trust, confidence within ZANU-PF. Kuti kana pa-2028 vachinomira kuma-election, havazodyisi ZANU-PF here. Kuti 2028 chinda kuma-election, vanenge vane support base yakamira sei ZANU-PF. He must work hard to achieve that. 3, he must make sure that he gets into Central Committee and the contest Mnangagwa in 2027. Forget about all these other positions. He must contest vaMnangagwa in 2027. Whoever candidate that Mnangagwa might produce in 2027 Congress, Chiwenga must be able to beat that Congress. How easy is that? It's a really climbing Kilimanjaro mountain for Chiwenga. I see him struggling very hard to achieve that. So these are the things that I must obstacles yandiri kuona ana Chiwenga. What is the Chiwenga alternative? He must now go back to the military, create a relationship or renew his relationship with the military. And from there, he must now go to the people outside ZANU-PF and continue with the 17th October 2025 march demonstration, assisted now by the military. These are two things that he must do. Firstly, he must have or build confidence within ZANU-PF the period leading to 2026. Third, he must, the second one, these are his two lives that he has. The second one, he must move out of ZANU-PF and ignore what is happening in ZANU-PF, renew his relationship with the security sector, and have support and have confidence, build that confidence within the security sector, and revive the 17th October 2025 demonstrations. Then with those he can be. Right, what does Mnangagwa intends to do now under this intense pressure? I see Mnangagwa in 2026 changing his mind, saying, I'm a constitutionalist, I'm not going to go up to 2030. I'll allow general elections to decide, but the Congress has to decide first. I see him doing that. And how does he do that? He puts his candidate, now Dagwire has been confirmed a member of the Central Committee. So there's nobody now who can dismiss Dagwire. He's there. So already is building himself within ZANU-PF. So Mnangagwa says 2027 Congress, I will allow people to contest because I'm not contesting. Then the contest now will be between Dagwire and Mnangagwa, and Chiwenga. If Chiwenga wins, he wins. If Dagwire wins, he wins. But the more critical one is this. Mnangagwa, he will put on scale the popularity of the two. And they say Chiwenga, Dagwire might be popular, but with no stamina. Chiwenga may not be popular, but with stamina. So how does he neutralize Chiwenga? He will allow himself to go to 2027 Congress and win the presidency. Once he does that, then he says 2028, I'm not available. I'm putting a successor. Then he puts Dagwire. What will be the pillars of Dagwire that will support him to go for 2028 general elections? Dagwire will bring in, between now and 2026, is going to rope in Tungwarara, you rope in Vana Saupwanya, who is already a member of parliament, and pull together the entire Mnangagwa team and they say, I want your support. And these will go to the provinces and instruct that all ZANU-PF structures vote for Tagwire. It does not need to look for other people because he's inheriting what Mnangagwa has already built. There was a mention at the conference that instructed the party to enhance or co-opt these associates, the doctors for ED, nurses for ED, that for ED, Zakawanda Ngapezi Uzverenga. So the party has been instructed to incorporate them, strengthen them. So these are the structures that will support Tagwire in 2028. So Mnangagwa will, at the end, give a green light that the 27th Congress, anyone who wants to contest will contest. And I don't see Chiwenga going through that. Immediately after having done that, Mnangagwa will step down as a ZANU-PF candidate for 2028 and ZANU-PF president and first secretary of ZANU-PF. And they wait on the corner for his coronation in 2031 for the kingdom or for the kingship. Then Tagwire will cross River Jordan, which is 2028, and allow the Munumutapa kingdom to manifest in 2031 when he's now a president. So that's the number 2 life of Mnangagwa. The number 3 life of Mnangagwa is that between now and 2026, he will use these affiliates to frustrate Chiwenga either to resign or to be fired. But he will not show intentions of firing Chiwenga. He will only intensify these associates to be more powerful than the structures of the party, as it was suggested by the Secretary for Legal Affairs, Ziyambi. And they will rope in through the War Veterans League, through Douglas Mahia, and the Mjibas and the Chimbwidos. They will be affiliated to this affiliation so that they maintain the status quo. And they say the constitution be amended so that he exceed or he goes beyond 2028 and they suspend elections. Where is the strength in this scenario? This third one, it's in parliament now. The Chabango factor becomes very important and crucial in this scenario, or in this case. All the CCMPs, they are looking at their pockets that if there are no election in 2028, they will enjoy the parliamentary package and the benefits and a given car, and they will vote in favor of the extension of the presidential or that Mnangagwa summarily breaks possibly December 2027 and they say, no, I'm starting a new term in 2028. Mm-hmm. So these MPs will go with him. who is going to table this motion? The motion is likely to be tabled by Sengezo Chabang under the instruction of Ziyambi Ziyambi, who is the Minister of Legal Affairs. And immediately after that, the Parliament, the spokesperson, who is now the Secretary General of the party, will quickly call for the adoption of that motion. It can be done the same day so that MPs don't have chance to think out. When they go out, they will influence one another to think otherwise. In the afternoon, then be taken to the Senate. Senate is headed by Chinomona, who is for 2030, and this will be passed in Parliament. And Mnangagwa will go beyond 2028. So these are the three lives of Mnangagwa. One, to intensify and incorporate these affiliates in favor of Dakwire. Number two, he will declare that I'm not standing in 2027 Congress. I allow the contestation of the presidents of ZANU-PF, and they influence all his ZANU-PF structures that voted for 2030 vanenge vachipo to vote for the preferred candidate. Then number three is the one that I have said. So I see this happening, and I know people who have their own views and so on. So Chiwenga, I've given you only two lives. The first one is to work hard to convince the ZANU-PF structures so that he wins the 2027. And if he does so, Mnangagwa will not produce Dakwire. He will put Dakwire on his pocket and him contest. So Mnangagwa will be difficult. But immediately after that, Mnangagwa announces his retirement and announce Dakwire as the vice president immediately after the Congress of 2027, and they say he will be acting president until he normalizes issues. On the other hand, Chiwenga, the second life that he has is that now he checks who can assist him in this. Has he built himself enough that if he calls for strike, people will respond? Then that's when he needs now the assistance of the security sector to say, hey, guys, this is the position. Let's allow people to demonstrate on the street. When people go and demonstrate on the street and the ZANU-PF is taken out, who does he form a government with? Hence my call for him to say now he must go back to the people and disassociate himself completely with the ZANU-PF. And when this demonstration, the revival of the 15th of October is to work, go back to the people, allow this to be mass protest, which will be decided by the citizens, and the leader comes from the citizens. If people have confidence in him outside the ZANU-PF, they will vote for him to contest the ZANU-PF in 2028 outside ZANU-PF structures. That's my view. That's my analysis. Thank you.
Yo, that's so profound. Thank you so much, Comrade Whitehead. I'm so grateful. Apa tine zvinhu zvakawanda zvatatonzwa. Point 5. Batidza microphone uya unzwe pano paitwa zvihombe naComrade Whitehead. Zvatisati takambonzwa zvanga usingazive. Zvatatotsvaga kuna vamwe vanhu vari kuzvitiva vari muZANU-PF vatadza kuzvianalyza. But zvataurwa zvese in detail. What's your take on that point 5 before Comrade Whitehead vaend up?
Ine point yangu yandoda kungotaura ndeyekuti Mudara Whitehead ndowatemba, and so far the information that he has been giving us, it's accurate or it's close to accurate. Zvinhu zvekuti munhu has been there since day one, and anoziva the thinking of ZANU-PF, anoziva the operations of ZANU-PF, and the munhu wekuti people like Comrade Traore, they must start learning from him, even ari kure through my broadcast atinenge tichiita aya, so that they get to understand the beast they are dealing with called ZANU-PF. Some of us, we are not part of ZANU-PF, we are not even involved in ZANU-PF, we are not even there, but tinongorwadzirwa kuti nyika yedu dai yaitawo nyika yakanaka. Those who are in ZANU-PF, they are very arrogant and ignorant. They don't want to hear the truth. But right now, Chiwenga Apa corner, he needs to do A, B, C, D so that he can be able to move forward. Next move, Mnangagwa, inogona kudai kana kudai. But people, they don't want to listen. So I don't want to say much, I don't want to disturb, I don't want to dilute Mudara. I'm in support, and I wish kuti vanhu daitamboteererawo Comrade Whitehead with a sober mind. Tonyatsonzwisisa, and then we start learning. Panongoti tingoramba tichiti gudoguru, yet gudoguru racho is taking us nowhere. Tripama one. So that's all I have to say, and I really appreciate you, Comrade Whitehead, for taking time. And Rosama followers, Angone Akole, and they follow you, want to Wisisai, Shamunotaura, and the Zunus Nemsoro, and the Zunus no Batsira. And on the other hand, even Nelson Chamisa, Anna Nangakwa, Nani in their team, Vanuterera, our platforms, and the Losa Zona, Pakataur something. They will respond somewhere, somehow, Nemango tweets in his Zumemang actions, whether or not they've been listening to our programs. Sakandongoti, thank you very much for supporting, and thank you very much nekutukurudzira sapana chidiki kuti zvinhu zvedu zviende kumberi zvisadzokere kumashure nekutiudzawo chokwadi chisina manyepo kana zvisingaite murungotudza kuti hapana wangu muri kurasika apa zvisikuita kana zvichiita mutiudza kuti try izvi zvinobuda. So thank you very much, Comrade Whitehead, for your time, and Kulend, that's all I have to say for now.
Yeah, I was really bored, but point 5 was not say kuti question yetanga tichichemera kuti what is the way out for Chiwenga or chichi chakwanza kumisa resolution 1 or kana kuti wazvinzwa zvese zvapindurwa. No, that question is a big question. In the 500 questions vanhu ngachingobvunza. Ameno kana wazvi notice point 5 bro.
And azvinzwa ndopa pandakuza paipe not taking anything away from Comrade Traore. Because that question is not able to answer that question because he doesn't know and he doesn't understand the structures of ZANU-PF or the thinking of ZANU-PF. ZANU-PF inotoda vanhu vakagadzira constitution yemusangano vakanga varipo kuhondo vachionesana vachitaurirana vachizwisisana ikoko vavazoshanda nayo for a certain period of time. So, not taking anything away from Comrade Traore, don't energy, but he just needs to channel his energy to the right direction and we can achieve something. Muvunzo wazo pindu was very clear, very clean.
Thank you so much. In that tent. Thank you.
There's a difference between activism and politician. Politics is far from activism. An activist, they'll say anything. Anyway, they form opinion, they form strategies from that activism. You can pick one or two things and say, this is the thinking of the people. So I don't blame Vanata Traore. He has never been into ZANU-PF. He's simply an activist. He's taken he has a candidate that he thinks he will recognize him after all this, but that doesn't give him bread on the table at the end of the day.
Right, thank you very much. On my side, I think I don't have any questions. I don't know, sir, how far with questions or any last words.
I don't have any question. I don't have any last words. Chatangu rangutaura nechingoti thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Comrade Whitehead. Thank you very much, Kulen TV.
Thank you so much. Thank you. We'll meet on another program. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Kulen TV, Team VAT. Asi vanhu vachishamsika, Kulen TV haichatsika, saka subscribe wozolaika, nechawana zvese apana chichazosha. Everybody say Kulen, 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 yeah. Information is brilliant, 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 yeah. Everybody say Kulen, 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 yeah. My updates are brilliant, 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 yeah. TV kaiktorira, subscribe kuti zvizokufambira. I know pane zvimwe zvima information, no worry, tichakupa full information. Ongokindeka notification bell, tine mapost asi tori paseo, saka tikutoti futi ndiyo chane, uyai mu advertise masolar panel. Everybody say Kulen, 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 yeah. Information is brilliant, 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 yeah. Everybody say Kulen, 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 yeah. My updates are brilliant, 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 yeah. Saka tikoti Kulen TV ndo mawani, ngatisingade kuzonzi tadona mani, asi TV weona kuJapani, pari kushandwa basa kwete zvemafani. Saka chiri kushota, engagement yoita seti kurota, but aizvonye mangoti supporta, ngobaya pera hapana kachichashota.